Hi and welcome to Bull World, Bull's web TV. Bull, a European leader in mission-critical digital systems. Today we're in Brussels with François Boulet, CEO of Coreso. Good morning, François.
Hi, Matthew.
As a way of introduction, could you tell us what happened on the 4th of November 2006 at exactly 9:38 p.m.?
On the 4th of November 2006, we had the first European incident on the European grid. An incident on a line in Germany has created a separation of the grid of Europe in three different parts. And on the western part of Europe, we have had 15 million consumers without electricity for 20 minutes.
The need for much better coordination between what's known as the TSOs, the transmission system operators, and a pan-European view of the networks seems obvious with hindsight.
One of the main reasons of this incident was a lack of coordination between two German transmission system operators. So some TSOs, RTE in France, Elia in Belgium and National Grid in UK, have decided to create a coordination center, Coreso, where we can bring them this European vision which is necessary and also coordination services to avoid to have such incidents in the future.
So Coreso is key to ensure the security of electricity supplies and prevent major incidents. What does this mean in terms of your information system?
In terms of information systems, we need performance, reliability, security and connectivity. We need performance because we are working in short time scales, day ahead or real time. We need reliability also for the same thing, the electricity never stops. So we need to be there every day, every minute of the day. And in terms of security, we are working with lots of information coming from all market users in Europe. So we need to have a closed network and strong security. And finally, in terms of connectivity, of course, we are connected to all TSOs in Europe. So we are connected through different ways, and it's something very complex for us.
So if I understand correctly, Coreso's information system is quite unique. In that context, why did you choose outsourcing?
We choose outsourcing for two main reasons. The first one is independence. We are a subsidiary of several TSOs and we want to provide independent services to each of them. So finally, the outsourcing was one solution to be independent also in the IT management. The other solution is that we need lots of different skills to operate such a system, and we are in Coreso only operators, so Bull was able to provide to us all these different skills.
Everyone's talking about smart grids, the intelligent networks of the future that will help save energy and share resources better to meet peaks in demand. Do you see yourselves as a pioneer in smart grids?
We are the beginning of what could be an operator of a future supergrid. Supergrid is part of smart grid, is bringing more intelligence in the grid management. We will have in the future large offshore wind farms that will propose lots of energy at sometimes in the day, and we will have to transmit this energy to different parts of the grid. So I think, yes, that Coreso is bringing intelligence and so smartness in the grid.
One last question, François. The subject of cloud computing is coming up quite often at the moment. Are you considering introducing cloud computing with Coreso?
We are connected through different means to different people. So we are using currently MPLS cloud technology. We are using lots of web services for such systems. So cloud computing in that context is certainly a direction to follow. For our operational system, for our security analysis calculation, I think we will remain for a long time in independent system and not cloud computing. But cloud is definitely something we are looking at.
François Boulet, thank you very much for helping us to discover how your partnership with Bull is helping make European electricity supplies more efficient and more safe.
Thank you. Goodbye.
See you soon on Bull World.